This is a plexiglass case. This is the cake. It uses the O-ring that goes around, sits in between the PCB and the plate. We're using Raed switches that have been modded with lube and films, and then GMK set to top it all off. Just plug this guy in. The V2s is called the snag switch. Still in stock in Keyboard Trios. They made V2s of these. So if you guys want the keyboard, type in !build, and then the Instagram link will be there. But for now, here's a little typing test. Ooh. Anyways, I will let you guys know about the keyboard. It's a very interesting keyboard. No, I don't think he has any group I pages for it, which makes sense, Chozo. It's a very small group I. It's going to be 20 units, but it's a very interesting keyboard. And the reason why it's interesting, guys, is this is a different material. This is actually plexiglass, chat. When is it going to be launched? I don't actually have a date. I will find that out for you guys afterwards. This is actually plexiglass. Can I share his Instagram? Yeah, go for it. So this is a little different than we normally do here. Very small. Yes, yes. Chozo, if you want, you can even link that. I don't know if he's going to post updates to that. But we have everything that we need here. Beautiful pictures of the 7V. Thank you, dude. I appreciate you. So I took a look at this beforehand. That's why it's been opened up already. But it is super cool looking. Yeah, dude. First glass this month and now plexiglass. So it's a plexiglass, aka it's like an acrylic a little bit. But it is super pretty. We're gonna move this to the side. Look at that. Isn't this cool? Isn't this nice? So, the benefits that I've learned and I've been told about this is this has improved clarity when it comes to its parts and stuff too. Let's get a little closer here. Actually, let's probably do this. Let it focus. I'll flip it. Oh, it's not gonna focus for me, huh? There we go. Look at that. Isn't this nice? It's like a pink. I mean, yeah, I would say it's like a peach. You know what? I will say this is probably like a peach color. Actually, I don't know. What would this be considered? I am not too sure. Let me read some stuff for you guys. Improved scratch resistance versus polycarbonate. That's the benefit of using this. Has a higher clarity and brightness over polycarbonate. The colors dyed. So I think if you guys are entering this, you guys can pick your own color from what I understand. It's light. This is super lightweight, by the way, chat. Super lightweight. The group buy is going to be about $400. This is going to be a bit expensive, but this is a very small run, also with material that we haven't really seen. It's also using feet that we haven't had in a while too. This is an homage to older keyboards, to OEM vintage keyboards with these square feet here, which is pretty cool. Nice little touch. And this is also going to be kind of like a unicorn style mount, which he did get permission to kind of use there as well. Yeah, so it's a very limited run keyboard. I think it's a very unique keyboard. We haven't really seen something like this with this material yet. At least I haven't. So the difference between this and the glass one too, guys, the Boulder was actually fused glass, right? So the Boulder was pieces fused together. This is not fused. Oh, thank you, dude. But yeah, very cool. Look at this little logo too, little cake logo. So it's designed after the, slice of the cake type thing. Yeah. I'm very interested to see what it sounds like too. So this is a plexiglass material.
Oh, thank you, dude.
Super interesting. Color's hella sweet. I mean, yeah. I will definitely say the color's nice. Definitely really cool. Really pretty looking. I'm excited. Let's do some stabs. Oh, we're gonna be using Raed switches. Check with this color combo today, guys. All right. Boom, boom. And then we're gonna be using, well, it's on another keyboard, but we're gonna be using this. It's gonna be nice. We're having a nice little combination of colors today. Oh, is it flexing even a little bit? Like the keyboard? No, there's no flex with this at all. There's none at all. This is darling, yeah, GMK darling. All right, I'm gonna move some stuff to the side here and we're gonna be lubing up. Also, I wanted to show you guys these two. These are from Desk Hero. They're a new TTC switch and they're tactile. And the bump is very long and drawn out. I will have to see how I like these. It doesn't really feel like a tactile though, which is interesting. But I can definitely feel there's a bump there. But it's a very shallow, long, drawn out bump. Yeah, these are very... Dude, when I saw these, I was like, oh, these are bright yellow switches. Like, these are bright switches, dude. Question: any idea on when the Balkan Echo will be back on stock? I need one bad. Max, I have no idea. Beautiful keyboard though, absolutely stunning. Love the keyboard. I wish I could tell you when it's be back in stock. Ooh, that is a fancy, nice plate. I like that little logo. I do like that. That's nice. I like the finish of this. This is like not exactly. It's like a semi-gloss. Kind of nice. I like this. It's nice. Appreciate it. Kind of goes with the rest of the keyboard. Do you prefer plateless? I love plateless builds. I like the sound of plateless. I like the feel of plateless, especially the feel of plateless. Big fan. I don't mind, like... I think my favorite plate material right now is FR4, but I don't mind polycarbonate. I don't love polycarbonate, but I don't mind it. I find a PC sometimes it's a little hard to install things on. All right, next up. So here's the case if you guys want to look at it again. This is a plexiglass case. Pretty cool. There's a little cake logo for you guys. Very, very lightweight.
Oh, thank you, dude.
Extremely light. So here it is. If it's universal, ooh, it's actually sounds pretty good. Let's see. Ooh, I do love me the Raed switches though. I like the spring weight. I like not having to stock spring swap something. So this is the cake, which I'll show you guys quickly again before we start it up here. Here's the cake. Dude, here's the back of it. I turned off the fan and I can feel the sweat coming off my forehead. Here's the side.
That's a lot of gifted subs.
Here's the side of this as well. I like the cake logo on the one side. That's actually kind of nice. I like the logo being on the side. All right. So, feels really nice to type on. Was there going to be any other plate styles? So there's going to be a half plate, which is something I'm very interested to seeing too. It's a very different sound though. Oh, you guys are hearing sticky keys because I've never turned that off on this new computer. Again? How do you turn this off? Disable this. Hold on, guys. Off. No one heard that. No one heard that, dude. I like it, dude. This actually sounds pretty cool. Very unique case. Very, oh, this cable. So this cable, guys, I ran over accidentally with my chair and I broke it. So everyone ignore this cable. Very, very unique case. Take a look at that too. This is actually quite cool underneath here. The way it sits. So you can see the bottom frame is cut out over here. Pretty interesting. It does look really, really cool. Yeah, I'd see it's not hollow sounding, which is pretty interesting. Very cool though. I really like this build. That looks really good with this Darling set though. Wow. I do quite like this with Darling. Looks very, very nice. Ooh, that is pretty. Actually, I want to see something. How does that look like this? Ah, that's cool. It's so clear. Isn't that cool, chat? An RGB PCB would be super, super dope with this. Super, super dope with this, dude. That would make a sick photo. It would. Just something like this. Look at that. That's cool, though. What an interesting case. It's on the pricier side for sure. That is the one thing I will say. But such an interesting case. Definitely super premium. I really like this. This is a cool project. Really, really cool. Nothing else really about this. This is like immaculate quality. Like I'm taking a closer look. Hold on, let me show you guys. Ignore the fingerprints, but hold on, let me. Here, we'll do like this. It's like pretty immaculate quality as well. Again, just fingerprints here. USB cutout, pretty nice. The bump-ons. That's pretty cool. Very, very cool. There's the cutout for the cake. So if you guys get in on this, apparently it's whatever colors you guys ask for in Pantones. Yeah, the bump-ons are neat. So it's gonna be pretty interesting.